Hey guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. Hey guys, really quick, this is going to be a short, quick, fast video. I want to talk about this really fast while it's fresh on my mind because it literally just happened. So I just got back from my walk, doing my thing I do, and another lady was walking and somehow we ended up walking together. And I'm like, what the heck, how did this happen? Because I normally like to walk by myself. That's my me time. But anyway, so we ended up talking and she was telling me about different things that she's been trying to lose weight and how she's having a hard time and all this stuff. So then she asked me, she was like, you know, what are your thoughts on Ozempic? Have you heard of Ozempic to lose weight? And I told her, I said, well, months ago I did hear or see something on the news about it being a shortage of Ozempic for people with diabetes that actually need it because so many people were trying to use it to lose weight, right? So to me, I'm like, I mean, when I even heard that, I kind of ignored it. I'm like, wow, people are really doing that right now. But, you know, I guess, you know, celebrities and things like that, that's what I heard was going on with that. So I asked her, I said, okay. And side note, you know, she was kind of hype about it. You know, she was like, wow, you know, if I could lose that much weight and be able to reach my goal and all this stuff, right? So she was kind of excited and really considering it. So my question to her was, I was like, okay, cool. Say if you lose, 20, 30 pounds within a couple months, how are you going to maintain it? You know, because in those situations with that drastic weight loss like that, just as fast as you lose it, you gain it back even faster. So I was like, okay, well, what's your plan, to maintain that weight loss? And she literally didn't have anything to say. She kind of, was like, that's a good question, because she didn't know, right? And that's the main thing. It's like, that's why people get so disappointed, or they gain the weight back so fast because they don't have the discipline to be like, okay, how am I going to maintain this? You take this easy way to lose it, which there's no like magic pill or magic powder. I mean, in some instances, I guess, for that moment, but if you're not going to take it, or if you know you're not going to be able to take that injection, that pill, that drink, whatever, for the rest of your life, don't even bother. Take the what's the word? The regular way, the natural way. Anytime there's any kind of, weight loss pill or anything, or a shake, it always says with diet and exercise, right? So why not just start with that? So that way it's already a way of life. Your mind is already trained. You're already disciplined, and you're not sitting here like, okay, I lost weight, but now I'm gaining it back because I never ever disciplined myself to be able to eat right and exercise. So my thoughts on Ozempic is, if you know you're not going to take Ozempic forever, don't even bother. Don't even bother, because honestly, in the end, you may be setting yourself up for failure. And think of one thing, when you're watching these journeys, these videos of people's weight loss journey with Ozempic, I'm curious to see, okay, after they lose the weight, what are they doing to maintain that progress that they made with that medication? So, heck, that's all I got. That's the advice I gave her. And of course I hit her up with Live Good. That's my thing right now. So like I said, there's all kinds of natural things and supplements that your body already needs, not any like weird stuff, that's not even really, for you. Now, of course, if the FDA is like, oh, cool, this is Ozempic is for weight loss, this is what we're doing, that might be, something that's coming, but still, how are you going to maintain it? So that was my advice to her. Ozempic, me personally, I don't think it's worth, trying to do all that when you have to maintain it anyway. So just Start with what you got to do to maintain it. Discipline yourself, get your mind right, and make it a way of life, make it a lifestyle. All right, guys, that is all I have. This was supposed to be really short, but I'm a rambler. Be sure to check out 7 Easy Steps to Becoming a Fit Mom, and definitely be sure to check out the Live Good opportunities. But anyways, that's all I got. Be sure to check out those things, check out the links. I'll get with you guys next time. Bye.